What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and discussion for Friday, March 24th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, we're going to take a quick look at the surface map here quickly. As you can see, we have the high pressure here across the Atlantic, and the showers and strong thunderstorms I call going around the ring of fire pattern here across Texas. We already have the severe thunderstorm watches out in effect across Texas. Then we have the heavy rainfall across Arkansas, extending into parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio. All these areas have been experiencing some heavy rain since yesterday evening and overnight. And in those areas, it should continue today, but this boundary will start to sag further to the south, you guys. And that's going to bring us to, we're going to take this off, you guys. Let's pause all of this for a quick second. We about to check and see the timing of these storms for today. Got to take all my stuff off, you guys. Give me 1 second. All right. All right, you guys, we're going to go to the convective outlook day one. First, you guys, and as you can see, we still have the moderate risk of severe weather up here across the lower Mississippi Valley from northeast Louisiana, southeast Arkansas, into northwest Mississippi here. And cities that's included within that moderate risk, you can see here Monroe, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi is just on the borderline of the moderate to enhanced risk. Have to watch out very carefully in Jacksonville, even extending all the way up into the Memphis area. They're under a moderate risk of severe weather. Strong long track EF2 plus tornadoes could be possible in this area later this evening and going into the overnight hours. We do have the enhanced risk that does include the Little Rock area, Nashville, and even extending down into Louisiana as close to Alexandria and Shreveport. An enhanced risk will be there for some strong damaging winds, a couple of tornadoes as well within that enhanced area. We do have the slight risk area, which does include Birmingham, Alabama, does extend up into Kentucky, you guys, and even into parts of East Texas. And we also do have the marginal risk here across Dallas, extending towards Montgomery, near Atlanta, Georgia, you guys. So this is going to be a significant severe weather event here today, particularly across northeast Louisiana, northwest Mississippi, southeast Arkansas, and into parts of western Tennessee. Not going to spend too much time here in our area across the New Orleans area, you guys, as the majority of this weather is going to stay to our north. Maybe even all the thunderstorms and showers may stay to our north, you guys. So, really nothing that we have to worry about too much down here in the New Orleans area. As we check out the probabilities, tornadoes, we have a 15% probability here across the lower Mississippi Valley, with a 10% extending into parts of Tennessee and even Kentucky here, you guys. And then we have the 5% risk, and then the 2% risk encompassing the outer edge of that. And even if you're in the 2% and 5%, that doesn't mean that, okay, I'm in an extreme low risk. Don't have to worry about a tornado. Yes, the tornadoes can form within this 2% area as well. It's just that the greatest potential and threat for it to be in the 15% risk. So if you live in any of these colored region areas, you should be on the lookout for the severe weather. As we go to the hail probability, as you can see, a 15% hail probability encompasses a lot of the mid south here, extending from extreme northeast Texas across northern Louisiana, almost all of Arkansas, western Tennessee, northwest Mississippi. Hail will be a threat. Let's going too fast, you guys. All right, wind probability. You can see a 30% chance of wind probability here. So some strong damaging winds will be possible with this system here. And as you can see, you guys, we do have a significant tornado threat, which means, as I said earlier, strong long track EF2 plus tornadoes could happen, or I can see it will be more than likely in this area here. Memphis, Monroe, have to be on the lookout, you guys. We do even have a significant hail threat here for parts of northern Louisiana, southeast Arkansas, and northwest Mississippi. Have to be on the lookout for 2-inch or larger size hail in diameter, you guys. That could do some serious damage. We even have a significant wind threat here over the Memphis area. Strong damaging winds with this line of storms will be happening in the during the evening and overnight hours, you guys. Now, we're going to take a look to see when the timing of these storms could possibly, the latest on the timing, you guys. So we're going to go to the HRRR. We're going to start at about 1 o'clock today. As you can see, we're already going to have the heavy rains ongoing across Kentucky, Missouri, Arkansas, and even extending into East Texas, just east of Dallas here. Cells going to be starting to pop up around the Arklatex region. As we move on to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you guys, as you can see, the line of storms start to exit out of Texas here, approaching the Little Rock, Arkansas area. Strong damaging winds, hail, and embedded tornadoes could be in this line of storms. And as you can see, these storms does extend into the Shreveport area. So around 3, 4 o'clock, the Shreveport area should be expecting these storms to start to develop and enter the area. As we get into 7 o'clock in the evening, you guys, that's when this line of storms will start to enter the most prime area for this severe weather, as you can see here across the moderate risk area. This is your main line of storms right here across extreme southern Illinois, Missouri, and extending into Arkansas, just passing Little Rock after about 6, 7 o'clock. This is a main line of storms with your damaging winds, hail. But see these storms here just ahead of that main line over the Mississippi River? These are your ones that's prefrontal storms, which could more than likely, these storms pop up like this, strong tornadoes will be more than likely going on within this moderate risk sector. And as you can see, even further, Jackson, Mississippi could start to see some storms moving from south to north here, you guys. And as we move on to about 10 o'clock, you can see this line, this really start to converge into a line of storms here as it starts to approach the Jackson, Mississippi area. Still ongoing heavy rain, flash flooding will be an issue in this area, but all hazards will still be going on at this time. And as we go to about 2 a.m. in the morning, you guys, I want to let's go a little bit further as it loads. All right, you guys, as you can see, by 2 in the morning, this starts to come. This is already moving through northern Alabama, central to eastern Tennessee. All of this heavy rain, showers, strong storms here is starting to approach the Atlanta area. This will be the overnight hours going into early Saturday. So, you guys, it's going to be quite a bit of a significant outbreak here across parts of northeast Louisiana, southeast Arkansas, and northwest Mississippi, which does include the Memphis area. So Memphis does need to be on the lookout for this nasty severe weather later on this evening, you guys, and into the overnight hours. Always remember that you can stay up on the latest here at your Weather on the Fly as the Storm Prediction Center comes out with the updates. I have them here posted for you guys, or as I always say, you can visit the Storm Prediction Center's website personally and get the updates. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.